Today on Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out, we're talking about physical clutter. What is the majority of your physical clutter? Where does your clutter seem to gather and grow? What is your clutter kryptonite? This month's bonus focuses on building your awareness about physical clutter as we continue our month focusing on a fabulous start to 2018. Every Tuesday at 1 p.m., join me on Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out as I teach you how to navigate the waters to declutter your life, get organized, and become more mindful. I'm an award-winning professional organizer, author, and certified life coach. Every episode, I'll give you take-action steps that you can easily apply to your life. Come on, let's get started. This year, as I mentioned at the beginning of the year in the first episode, I'm going to do a new bonus format. My goal is to keep these really short and focused and build your awareness muscles. I feel really moved this year on taking action. If you're into numerology, 2018 is an 11 year, according to many, is a big year for spiritual enlightenment, challenges, but as well as huge opportunities in spiritual growth. Everything is energy, and clutter is stuck, stagnant energy. I encourage you to do some Googling and see what the numerology experts are saying about 2018. Today was inspired because I work with people that have a lot of physical clutter. Clutter can cause depression, and depression can cause clutter. The inside reflects the outside. Oftentimes, clearing physical clutter is easiest for us and can support us in going inwards. Spend time this month focusing on your awareness about your physical clutter. Are you truly aware of your physical clutter? Has it morphed into a big pile of stuff that you really aren't sure what it all is? Do you notice any patterns of stuff? Or what I would like to call your clutter kryptonite. That's where you easily get stuck. For me, I get stuck on beauty samples and leopard print. Gather a pen and paper or an app to record your thoughts and notes. Begin by going through your home or space. What areas gather the most physical clutter? What areas really need a good purge and your time and attention? And what can hang tight for now? Think of yourself as an archaeologist or researcher. Examine your clutter. What do you tend to collect the most of? Do a few things keep popping up, like my beauty samples and leopard print? Or is it just a hodgepodge? Let's dig deeper and see if we can make some connections. Can you remember any circumstance when you purchased these items? Were you bored, lonely, stressed out? Were you going to redecorate and then changed your mind and never got around to releasing or returning anything? Did you go binge shopping after a fight with your spouse? Be curious and non-judgmental. If you can get to the root of why you are buying or collecting clutter, you have a better chance of releasing everything. Commit daily to discovering more about yourself and your physical clutter. What patterns emerge? What can you do to break the patterns or replace them with good habits? For example, If you have a fight with your spouse and then you tend to go on a shopping spree, what can you do instead? Can you reach out to a good friend? Can you start a journal and write down your thoughts and release some of your emotions? Could you talk to a therapist or a life coach to get a better handle on things? Do you keep saying you'll get organized someday, but someday never comes? Are you overwhelmed, anxious, and exhausted by your clutter? Would you like to save time and money while reducing your stress? Are you ready to be organized and decluttered in 2018? Our Get Organized 2018 Facebook Mastermind community can support you. Begins January 11th with special pricing. Find out more at reawakenyourbrilliance.com under Life Organization Masterminds. Come on, join us. Refer back to your notes on your clutter. Then begin to take steps to release your physical clutter. If you need to, hire a professional to support you. Remember, if you're going to be working with a friend, pick that friend carefully. This needs to be someone who is non-judgmental and will support you and not make matters worse. As these bonus awareness episodes are going to be really focused, refer to these earlier podcast episodes if you need a little more support. January 2015 bonus. Questions to ask when purging physical clutter. May 2016 bonus. Clearing clutter by deepening gratitude. Episode 161, February 2017. Releasing physical clutter you don't love. Episode 171 from April 2017. Clutter and depression. And from August 2017, episode 192, online shopping. The previous podcasts can give you a little more depth and support you with other take actions that you might find valuable. If you spend a few weeks, a month until the next bonus awareness episode, you can really get a lot done. Take the time to focus only on your physical clutter this month. Take actions. Be aware of where you have the most physical clutter. Make a list of all the rooms and areas that you would like to declutter your physical stuff. Discover your clutter kryptonite. Create a plan to slow down or stop buying it. Dig deeper. Can you connect the physical with other stuff? If you find out the why and how and who and what are your next steps to healing, releasing, and moving forward? Release physical clutter. If you're struggling, consider asking a friend for support or hiring a professional organizer. In our next episode, we're talking about being selfish. Go out, clear the clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire. Are you ready to live a more joyful and fulfilling life? Sign up for our newsletter at reawakenyourbrilliance.com and receive a free copy of 10 Steps to Clearing the Clutter Inside and Out. If you enjoyed today's episode, I would love it if you would rate and review the show because it really helps us in the search ranking. See you next Tuesday at 1 o'clock. Remember, when you clear your clutter, you can create the life you desire.